We've got a little toy coming today. Well, I should say kind of a big toy. We got to work on, oh, is he going to be able to make it in? We've got to work on backfilling our septic trench and then starting to trench for our water and electric lines, and just figured it would go a lot faster with an excavator instead of a tractor with a little backhoe. So this is what's coming today. Right now he's grabbing the 2 extra buckets that come with the rental. Brave machine operators. Looks like he's trying to counterbalance it. Yep, there he goes. Oh my God. Whoops. Sorry, neighbors. Here it comes. It's so cute. Okay, so this was just dropped off, and I was given a very quick crash course in how to use it, and I'm literally scared shitless in a cool kind of way. Like, I don't know, I'm super intimidated, but also kind of excited to try to play with it. But I'm definitely waiting until the dude drives off, just in case I embarrass myself. I just heard this little tapping noise behind me. I see this little guy pecking away at one of my, I think it's an apple tree or maybe a pear tree. Look at him. Okay, at this point, I'm very glad that it's Jason driving this thing because, yeah, I don't know if I want to be the one wheeling it around once it's stationary. Maybe. It's a little freaky deaky. Getting the first part of the septic trench filled back in. This is the part that I already filled with sand and put the tape down. Like I said, right now I'm glad it's him driving. Freaks me out a little bit. All I can say right now is thank God for Jason. braver than I am too. I would have that bucket all the way in for fear of tipping over forward. Trying a little bit of a different technique now. I don't know if I've mentioned it before, but that is a giant pile of trash. So while we've got the excavator, and you can't really see it, but there's a little mini bin over there, we are going to see about potentially dumping some of this trash. Because it is just like, it looks like it's insulation and just crap. It's not quite as serene and peaceful considering there's an excavator running in the background, but one of the things that I've been waiting to see is our property blanketed in fog. I don't know why. There's just something I wanted to see about it, and it's so pretty. I mean, seriously, look at this. Minus the trash bin. Trenching has begun. We're right next to our well house here, our janky, disgusting well house.
We're gonna make it better.
We will make it pretty eventually. Every time we start digging, we are just so stoked at how awesome the soil is here. Just makes me so happy. So when he gets back, like, I don't know, another like 8 to 10 feet, we're gonna have to go over in front of the pole. And
he wants to go this way.
Right, I know. That's what I'm saying. When he gets back another 8 to 10 feet, we're gonna have to do a little tee off in front of the pole.
Oh, for the power?
Yeah. So they kind of meet up there. This is for the water, obviously. And then the power will come from over there and they'll meet it and go into the same. Yeah.
A Y.
Yes, not a T, a Y. Y and T. We should put a radio on. Oh my God, you guys. We're all sitting here working. And my husband says, "Look, babe." And I turn around. And it looks like we've got a little audience. There's some standing water over there under the burn pile, and that little baby's drinking from it. There's another one right over there. And these guys are just looking at me. Oh my God, they're so cute. They're literally like just that far away. The guys are making jokes like, I got a pistol in my truck. Jerks. No wild animals will be slain on my property. Oh my God, I can't stand how cute they are. Very uninterested in me. And now, here's the scariest part. My husband behind the controls. Definitely got to get this on camera the first time. Barely. That's awesome. I'm gonna go back to shoveling sand. That's my man over there operating an excavator. Not gonna lie, kind of hot. Got all this done. Pretty much from like right here all the way back there while I ran out, checked on our dogs, and grabbed some lunch. Well, we had a little oopsie.
In the worst case, we just drive your truck right next to it.
The excavator's battery seems to be weak. Oh, there we go. Nice. We had a system voltage error or something, but they just got it started. So that's good. All right, well, the excavator is dead for now. The guy is coming back with a battery to see if that will solve the problem, but the boys seem to think it's more like an alternator, which seems likely because the controls just keep dying. So for now, we switched over to the tractor. We are filling in the septic. And then as soon as that's done, he's gonna go back over by where the septic clean out is and start trenching with the backhoe. And then we'll just kind of meet up to where the excavator is and see what we can do. At the very least, we could probably jump the excavator to get it started and move it out of the way. So we'll probably do that. New battery being put in. Hopefully this will get us to the finish line, and if so, Adam can do this while Jason grabs the trash bin and moves it with the tractor. But we did get all of this filled in, so we got almost the whole septic line filled in. So now we have a road. And then we got this part dug, which this is where the water and power is going to go, and it's going to feed under the septic there. So we're going to keep going that way. Almost there. We are back at it this morning, nice and early because Jason has somewhere to be late morning. And we are rolling out the poly line for the water. We have it, whoa, that's close, sorry. We have it run this far, so far. We have our pole where it's gonna go. We have the electrical wire coming up.
Before, we just don't want to do a connection down here.
No, inside.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, this stuff's a bear. PVC is way easier. With PVC, you'd have 30 joints between here and there.
All right, so we got all the poly
The leak.
unrolled, and we got it mostly backfilled all the way back there. The reason we're not filling here is because we have to, if you can see that wire sticking up, we have to splice together the wire to go into the box. And then we have to run some conduit from there along that trench to the well house for power. So we still got some work to do in here, but we got a lot done.